Manifesting money does not have to be difficult. It's only that sometimes individuals place great significance on how powerful they think money is, which increases the belief that it's difficult to acquire, creating a specific energy around money in one's personal experience. However, money is merely a means to new experiences and comforts. It's simply a middleman to what we really desire in our life. It's not actually money that we want, rather it's the experience, security, luxuries, and fun that we seek. Money itself isn't worth any more than the paper it's printed on. We only give it value based on the equivalence that others have given it. By teaching our mind a new belief through repetition, one that money actually is an abundant object that comes from nature itself, which is always lavishly abundant, we can remove the subconscious block that holds the perception that money is a scarce commodity. Due to the freedom that the value of money offers, some people will spend a majority of their time wanting more of it. The energy of want causes the mind to believe in unavailability, because a want is something that we don't actually have. And believing that something is unavailable or scarce will produce just that. This causes resistance that holds the object of that want away from the person wanting. Once there is the realization that abundance is available for all, there's no longer a need to have a desperate feeling state regarding it. With the correct energetic application, we can allow the things we desire to show up in our daily physical existence. Manifesting money is all about the energy you bring to the experience. And the more playful you can be with the universe, the more likely it is that your vibration is radiating an excellent frequency to welcome abundance into your life. The following visualization process changes the energetic equation between money and those who seek to have more of it in their life. Parts of this visualization may seem odd or foreign to you, but as I've said many times, sometimes we have to offer unexpected information to our minds in order to receive the results that we desire. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine that you are sitting in the most beautiful open field that you've ever seen. This field is dripping in abundance. Everything in it is in large quantities. There are hundreds of trees that outline this field. And those trees hold thousands and thousands of leaves. There are millions of insects that call this field home. And literally billions of blades of grass, as far as you can see. Nature is designed to produce everything in an adequate and abundant nature. And you can plainly see this in the large number of each item that you observe in this field. And as you sit in this field, in your mind's eye, I wonder if you could take a moment to notice the abundant manner in which nature always operates. Just take a few moments to relish in the fact that you are also a part of the natural order of things, which clearly makes you an abundant being. Now, imagine that as you are sitting in this beautiful and abundant field, it begins to lightly rain. Think of the millions and millions of raindrops that are beginning to fall all around you. As you intently listen to this rain, Your mind begins to absorb just how many drops of rain it hears, cascading all around you. This is just another example of the way in which nature is only capable of supplying in an abundant way. And as you sit in this field, feeling the rain wash over you, notice that this rain doesn't feel the way that rain normally feels to you. It isn't wet. In fact, it feels like paper or fabric. You may now start to realize that this rain, that is coming directly from the abundance of nature itself, is actually bills of money falling all around you. Feel it fall on your head and your shoulders. Notice that it brushes past your face and that there are stacks of it beginning to accumulate in your lap. Use your mind to place your hands out and feel and touch the fabric of this money between your fingers. Now pull several pieces of this money up to your nose and smell its natural scent. And hear how it sounds as it falls into piles, and notice the quantity of money that has gathered around you. Nature has chosen to abundantly supply you with wealth and financial freedom. It has selected you as the perfect candidate. Now, as odd as it may sound, you're going to have a conversation with this money. The symbolic little faces on the money surrounding you begin to ask if it's okay if they can live with you. Nature has told them that you are a good place for them to take up residence, and they each take turns asking your permission to do so. They want to make sure that they are safe, cared for, and will be sent out into the world when it's their time to be used in a productive way. And they have chosen you as the perfect host for this. As you graciously allow each one of them the opportunity to stay with you, you hear more of them asking, "May I come also? Can I come live with you too?" See their faces as they ask, and observe their distinct personalities. Take a moment to hear your responses and nurture this money as you would a child that is seeking shelter and a place of security. Let this money know that you'd be happy to let it come home with you. And imagine each piece of money's ecstatic response when it hears it has been chosen by you as a new member of your home. This money knows that you will care for it and allow it to perform what it's designed to do at just the right moment. Everything around you responds to your feelings, even money. By developing a nurturing and caring and kind relationship with money, you no longer have a reason to feel frustrated or disappointed with it. You can now see that money is about love and joy. It wants to give and receive these things as much as you do. And realize how nature has perfectly married you with this abundance. And be joyful in this flawless decision. Just by the mere fact that you are absorbing this visualization process, you have been given an abundant gift. Mother Nature takes great delight in offering grand supply to you because you are her offspring. Give gratitude not only for your gift, but for the fact that you are able to provide such a good environment for this money to grow and flourish in. Show appreciation for the opportunity to take care of this money in the way it needs to be supported. As you're sitting in this field, surrounded by your new friend abundance, begin to affirm, I can now afford everything I want or need in my life without stress or worry. I can now afford everything I want or need in my life without stress or worry. My new friend money allows me to have the freedom and security that I've always desired. My new friend money allows me to have the freedom and security that I've always desired. Because I am a good host to money, and because I have formed a new relationship with it, it freely brings me new experiences. Because I am a good host to money, and because I have formed a new relationship with it, it freely brings me new experiences. Money visits my home for a while, goes back out into the world to find new things for me, and then visits me again in an abundantly beautiful way. Money visits my home for a while, goes back out into the world to find new things for me, and then visits me again in an abundantly beautiful way. This simple process can completely change your feelings about money. It quickly imprints your subconscious mind with the energy of abundance. Instead of focusing on how much money you need, which keeps it from you, you change your vibration to one of allowing yourself to manifest money easily. With this exercise, money desires you as much as you desire it, and this is the secret to manifesting money. Stop to ponder whether you've ever considered this to be a possibility. If you've endeavored to intentionally create money in your life, ask yourself how much power you give that money. The dance of energy between you and financial freedom is delicate, but it can also be simple. And once your mind believes that money freely desires to be in your existence, you may find it showing up in ways you've never dreamed of before.